Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install PostgreSQL latest version, that is 16.2 on Ubuntu 22.04. Open terminal. Let's verify is there any PostgreSQL service or not. See, we don't have the PostgreSQL service. Okay, then click on the Firefox. Go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See, at the time of making this video, the latest version is 16.2. For whatever the version, the process is same. Okay, so click on download. Then select the Linux. Then select the Ubuntu. See here, the supported Ubuntu versions for PostgreSQL 16 is Mantic 23.1, 23.04 and 22.04, 20.04. These two are the LTS versions, which means long-term support versions. Okay, and these are the architectures. So these are the commands to install the PostgreSQL on Ubuntu machine. So copy the first one, that is to create the file repository configuration. Copy this one, go to the terminal, paste it, hit enter. Then import the repository signing key. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Okay, next we have to update the package list. Sudo apt get update. It is okay. Control L to clear screen. Now we have to install the PostgreSQL. See the comment here. If you want a specific version, use PostgreSQL then hyphen version, or similar instead of PostgreSQL. See, if you don't give the version number, it will install the latest version. Let me show you. Copy this command, paste it. See, if you don't give the version, it will install the latest PostgreSQL, that is 16.2. If you want 15, you have to give the hyphen 15. If you want 14, you have to give hyphen 14. Okay, I'm not going to provide the version, so it will install the latest version, that is 16.2, and hit enter. See here, it is installing 16.2. Okay. I will keep this link in the video description. Okay. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL. Let's verify. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL service is installed and it is active. See, it has started 24 seconds ago. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. Now connect to PostgreSQL service by running the command sudo su-postgres. Now give the PSQL. PSQL is the PostgreSQL client tool. Now verify the version of the PostgreSQL. Select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 16.2. Okay. Q to quit. The first step after installing PostgreSQL is we have to set the password for Postgres user, because we have only one user, that is the super user. Let us verify the users by running the command /du. See, we have only one user or role on this PostgreSQL server. Okay, so set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password in single quotes or double quotes, then hit enter. We have successfully set the password. Now create a user by running the command create user James with password. We have successfully created /du. The commands which starts with / are called as meta commands. See, we have the one user that we have created. Now verify the list of the databases /l. See, we have 3 databases. These 3 are the default databases. Comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Q to quit, Control L to clear screen. Now create a database. Create database R2 schools. See, we have successfully created database. Now verify. See, new database has been added, and this is the owner name. Q to quit. Also, we can get the database names by running the command dat name. Select dat name from pg_database. Put semicolon at the end of the statement. See, we have these 4 databases. Except this R2 schools, remaining are the default databases. Control L to clear screen. Now, if you want to switch to or connect to this R2 schools database, so use the command /cr connect, both are same, then provide the database. Now we will switch from Postgres database to R2 schools. See, we have successfully connected to the database R2 schools as the user Postgres. Let's create a table in this database. /dt to verify the list of the tables in this database. See, we don't have any relations. So let's create a table. Create table student s number int primary key s name varchar, put semicolon. We have created a table. Now give the /dt. See, we have created a table. This is the name and this is the owner of the table. Let's insert some data into this table. Insert into student values again. Insert one more row by using up arrow. Now verify the data. Select star from student. See, we have the 2 rows. Okay, so now if you want to find the configuration files location, so config_file. See, this is the server level configuration information, and we have one more important file, that is HBA file. So HBA_file. See, this is the file for host based authentication information. Okay, Q to quit, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart the PostgreSQL service. Sudo system, Control L to clear screen, sudo systemctl first verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is started. So to stop, we have to use the same command. Instead of status, we have to give stop. Now verify again. See, PostgreSQL service is inactive and dead. Okay, Q to quit. Let us start it again. Control L to clear screen, sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify again. See, PostgreSQL service is active. Q to quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, we have restarted. 1 second ago. Q to quit. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 16.2 on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. For more PostgreSQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.